Oiiiiiii! Wildarmy! Sees God's the wild man out and about on another adventure. Middle of nowhere. Beautiful, beautiful nature. I've actually found an old world railway track down here. Now I knew there was a tunnel at the end of it, but I've never actually been down the track. I just want to see what buried history there is down there. Yeah, it's a bit of a battle get in, but we'll have a look. Take you on a little one. Hey, we got a little friend. Right there, dude. Hope it's not one of them horse flies. I'm sick of getting bitten. I've been bitten, stabbed, prickled and nettled. I was safer at work. Right guys, come on a little trek with me. This one's for you as well, Bez. Bez Idiot and his dog on YouTube. Real good guy. He's out and about doing the do for the Wildarmy. Go over, give him a subscribe, eh? He likes these old world paths. This one's for you, brother. I don't know how we're going to get in there though. It's going to be another brutal adventure. Look at these nettles. Could actually do with collecting some of these nettle seeds, drying them out. They come in handy. Nice for a nettle tea. Come on, Army. Let's go on manoeuvres. See if we can find any old world history. Look at these on the way. Foxgloves. Dying out a bit now. They're actually poisonous, they are, guys. And up here we've actually got the rose hips coming, which I was on about. These will turn red soon. As you can see, they're turning a reddish colour now. Full of vitamin C. All rose hips are full of vitamin C. Just take the fluff out of them, because it is an irritant. If you remember at school when we used to say, oh, they're itching powder. Well, they do itch. So you have to scrape all the fluff out of them. Eat the flesh. The flesh is absolutely packed with Vit C. Guys, what have I got myself into here? Bear with me. Right, which is my best point of entry now, people. Look at there. This is proper hidden away. I don't know whether just battle the nettles. We'll try and find a route round. Come on. Let's try this way. All rocks there buried away. Yeah, I think I'll venture down here. This is going to be a battle, this is, people. I just sort my camera tripod out. Else it's going into me. Well, it's not a tripod, it's a stick, but it'll hinder me nonetheless. Sorry, nature. Wild man's coming through. Hope everybody's staying safe. Hope you're alright. Oh man, these nettles are massive. Get down, nettles, get down. Don't sting me, don't sting me again. Thought you were my friend. Guys, how am I going to get through here without getting stung? I've been hard, I've been prickled. I need a big stick. Oh God, guys. Nah, man. I'm getting pummeled again. Look how big they are. Oh, it's 7 foot nettles. Some of them are 8 foot. Tell you what, people, I've never known growth like it this year. I've never seen the nettles in the balsam so high. I think we're going into the guts of it here, guys. Take you on this little adventure. Oh, I can see a tunnel. Oh, it's more of a bridge. What have we stumbled on here? Must have missed this. I thought that was some type of mushroom then, but it's actually bark off a birch. Brilliant for tinder if you want a fire. Don't go lighting fires though, people. Unless you're in a survival situation. Top's gone quite dry, so it's a bit ropey lighting fires. Oh, look at this place. Funny how all these little old history places are dumping grounds for rubbish. I wonder if there's any adders down here. Good place to look for adders. Lift a bit of summit up. I'm always lifting stuff up, guys, just to see. Nothing under there, but we have got a little mouse hole. Look. A little mousey under there. Don't want to disturb them. Check this place out. I don't know how long this video is going to be because I don't know how long this line is. Man, I'm sweating the wild gonads off. Oh, check this place out. Sandstone. It's just a dumping ground, isn't it? Another rubbish dumping ground. But I love this corrugated stuff because it's where the snakes hide. Snakes love a bit of corrugated. There's something lurking in here. Can't see. Uh-oh. Guys, look at this bridge here heading away. Just dumped on and hidden. I mean, it's a lovely little camp out area. As you can see, you've got a mixture of new and old brick. Come on. Take a walk on the wild side, guys. I'm hoping there might be some mushrooms down here. It's quite damp. It's been too dry, really. Oh wow, look at this mixture. Little Jenny ran there. Look at this mixture of old and new. What I really don't get, guys, is how come the brick, it's like the sandstone has either taken over the brick or the brick has been built into the sandstone. I don't know, the mind boggles. Like a layer of weird calcium stuff, like it's just dripped down and took over. As you can see. Seeing that, people? It's like it's turned to liquid and just rolled down the rock. Took over, it's turned green there actually. Strange, very strange. I have to question this sort of stuff, people. I know, sorry dude. And then you've got this over here, it's like the calcium coming out of the walls, but why does the bridge go into the sandstone? Well, which was there first, guys? Was the bridge there first? Or was the sandstone there first? Because that does not make sense. If you look at it, from over here. I mean, which was first, guys? The sandstone or the brick? Very, very strange. Liquid rock, maybe. Maybe they had some form of liquid rock. Probably geopolymer. Mr. Cook, you know what I'm on about. Take a look further down this old world track. This has been dumped on for a reason. Or a bike, that. Beer kegs. Oi, oi. See what else we got down here. The remnants of the old world brick, people. The old world brick. Going into the sandstone. Layers upon layers. Somebody kindly left me a fish pond here. Nah, it's actually a cattle drinking trough, but it's obviously fell down. Make a nice pond though, that would. There you go, guys, look how it's been covered up. It's just been completely covered up by nature. Absolutely bonkers. You wouldn't know it was there, would you? Shame. Come on people, let's take a further look down the line. What's left of the line. Check out how they used to build these old world tracks. Covering the old history up. I've got some flies attacking me today. Ancient pushchair. Get off. That one nearly went in a gob. Check this place out. How spooky is this? Don't get me wrong people, it's cool down here, but this is one spooky old line. Don't know how far I'm going to make it down. Just want to see if there's any old truth nuggets lying about. You just never know, do you? Sweat's pouring off me. Try not to disturb any animals. I hope you're going out and about, Wildarmy. Looking for truth nugs, looking for old history, bit of foraging, bit of fishing, bit of learning nature, learning the old world, things like this. Look at that. That's an old world wall right there. I've got a funny feeling there's more. I've got a funny feeling there's more hidden down here for us. Sorry about that. Oh, it's nice and damp down here. Might be a mushroom or two, eh? Thank you to all my new subscribers. I do a bit of everything, don't get me wrong guys. I do a bit of old history searching, old world history searching, try and find truth. I do a bit of fishing on my days off. But I'm mainly after truth nuggets and old world. And I found a bit of old world here. Mixture old, really old, and new. God, the brick's just been formed into the stone. Strange, isn't it? Very strange. I mean, this looks like it's got 3 layers of history, this place. Because you've got very recent brick, sandstone, an older rock, holding everything up. Very strange. Very, very strange. Let's take a look further down the line, guys. As you can see, more mixture of wall down here. Old world brick and sandstone. All mixed in together. Hey up. Here comes the helicopter. There's always a chopper, guys. There's always a chopper. Wherever I go, there's always one of them. Do you know what? My Wi-Fi, my 4G's off on my phone as well, so I'm sure they're following me. Maybe that's me just being paranoid. But they can kiss me ass anyway. And how long's this video? I love taking you on these little excursions though. But this is a hidden one, this is a hidden gem. And it's not a public footpath, so this is actually off the public footpath, like I say. It does pay off to go off the beaten track sometime, people. Because you never know what you're going to find. You can see more old rock here that's crumbled. Which was first? Man, they've had our pants down. Spooky walks with the Wildarmy. This is a spooky walk too. Oh, it's a big old rock there. Sorry, birdie. It's not a gun, it's a camera, you dopey bird. Man, these pigeons are so thick. Have you ever watched a pigeon, guys? They're thick as anything. I saw one building a nest not long ago. And it was trying to get a stick through this tree. The stick was the size of the tree. It was like a dog trying to get a massive bar through a door. It was stupid. Look. Old world train track. Hidden away in the absolute middle of nowhere. That's the way we've just come, guys. Don't know what we're going to find down here, but I do like the spookiness of the place. Big up to Cloud Spirals, Ash Porter, all the guys at work. Hope you're all enjoying your holiday, guys. Hope you're enjoying your time off. Trees growing over the rock. They must have done a bit of bomb seeding down here. They bomb seeded it. No graffiti. Nothing. Very, very strange place. Eerie. So there is truth nuggets here. I'd have to come down here again and search a bit deeper. I'm actually coming out into the open now. I love looking for the old world. There's so much evidence of it. You won't look into the world fairs, guys, they're crazy. Some of the buildings they produced, and it's all been buried. Everything's been buried. We couldn't build some of the stuff they used to build, I tell you. We've lost a lot of skills. I could really do with finding those skills back. I'm actually coming out of that canyon now. Oh, trees on rock here. Just going to take a look up here, people, because you find a lot of mushrooms and fungus growing on old rotting wood. This looks like an old rotting oak tree. Might be an elm. And what have we got here? Look at this little beauty in here. There he is, look, what did I tell you? That's a beautiful, I think that's a deer shield. I'll have to check it out though. I don't pick anything unless I'm 100% positive. See what I mean though, guys? Just check out rotting wood, rotting trees, different types of trees. And you'll find little different types of mushrooms like this guy. Look how happy he is, just sitting there. Covered from the elements, just chilling. Mushroom world. So yeah, any rotting wood, any dying wood. A lot of mushrooms grow in fields also. There's so many different types. You've got your polypores, you've got your boletes, you've got everything. You've got your field mushrooms. Now your field mushrooms will be out in September, but when you're picking field mushrooms, always scrape the top. And if the mushroom turns yellow, chuck it away, guys. Because that's what they call a yellow stainer, and they grow with normal mushrooms. So always give the mushroom a little scrape on top. You won't go wrong. Little wild man tip there for you. So I'm actually coming out of this canyon now. Sweating my gonads off. But to be honest, guys, even though this place is old and a bit spooky, it's also tranquil. Now I know there's a train tunnel right up there. There is a train tunnel right up there, guys, but the only problem is it's all blocked off and I can't get in it yet. I will try and get in it for you because it's a big old mine in there. You never know what little history nuggets we can find in there. But it's a big job for the wild man, that is. But I'm sure we'll manage it. What we saying, eh, people? Right. Now I'm going to start heading back because I've got a few more little places to visit. A few more truth nuggets to find. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. Only a 20-minute video. Hope you enjoyed that little trek. This is the Wildarmy out and about looking for truth nuggets, old world history, foraging, mushroom hunting, and whatever other mischief we can get up to in a good way. I don't trespass, guys. I always make sure as I've either got permission or the signs are okay and that. I do get a bit of stick. People say, oh, you're trespassing. No, I'm not trespassing. Trespassing's a civil matter, and also I'm not causing any harm to anyone. I'm just trying to find some truth and out foraging and learning, using my eyes, my ears, my senses, which I suggest everybody does. The longer you're out in nature, the more you become aware. You're using all your senses: smell, touch, vision, hearing, everything. I hope you enjoyed that little tour with me, guys. Big respect to all my new subscribers. Big respect to Bez. Go over to his channel, Idiot and his dog. He loves these little wonders too. Right, take care of yourselves. Big respect to you all. Big love to you all. This is the Wild Man Gaz and the Wildarmy signing out. Wildarmy on manoeuvres. Oi oi.